Enoki mushrooms, salted butter, garlic, chili, salt, sugar, pepper, water. Cover and air fry 170 for 10 minutes. Ready. Mix and enjoy. Yummy.
Tonight was the scariest night of my life. I'm going for a date with a guy I met online and he's collecting me in his car. So when a car stops, I just jump in. 2 minutes later, I get a message from my date telling me he's cancelling. Whose car did I get in? I literally jumped in the car with a stranger. I was terrified. I start coughing and I say to the guy, look, I'm feeling really sick. I need to go home. He says, I'm not driving back that way. I say, look, I'm going to vomit if you don't let me out. So he lets me out at this gas station. I didn't know what else to do, so I called my ex and I told him everything and he came and collected me and brought me home. So he was hungry and I made his favourite ENOKI mushroom ramen. He said, oh, I've missed this. And then he ended up staying the night.
It's the right number.
Let's make some enoki mushrooms, aka see you tomorrow mushrooms. The reason behind this name is too disgusting to be talked in a cooking video. Get these ingredients ready, then try some hot oil. This sauce can make your mashed paper delicious. Simply put the sauce on enoki mushrooms and cover with a foil paper. Bake at 370 degrees for 20 minutes. Apply some food makeups. Want some noodles with low carbs? You can have it today and tomorrow.